How to make sitemap for Blogger blog. So the first step is to simply go to Blogger and then simply click on settings. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down and then make sure this option here, which is enable custom robots.txt, is disabled. Then simply click on view blog and then you're gonna get redirected to your blog. Now simply click on your domain at the top and then simply add after .com/robots.txt and then simply click on enter, and this is your sitemap. So simply copy this and paste in, and then you're gonna get redirected here, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.